In this video, we'll be talking about prime factorization, students. And we know the vocabulary word prime. Prime means that that number only has itself and the number 1 as a factor. And factorization has the root word factor, so we'll know we'll have more to do with multiplying and using factors. So this method for prime factorization is called a prime factorization tree. So in this example, we're going to find the prime factorization of the number 36. So I'm going to start with 36. And I put my two little tree branches right there. So my tree branches, they're growing down instead of up. It's probably opposite day. Who can tell me any factor pairs that go with 36? You can blurt it.
6 times 6.
Okay, I like 9 times 4. But you guys want to do 6 times 6?
Yes.
The beauty of prime factorization is you can start with any factor pair you would like. You could do 9 times 4, you could do 12 times 3, you could do 6 times 6, any factor pairs for 36, and that's how you can begin your tree. So once you get to this point, whichever tree leaves you have, this is my tree leaf, it kind of looks like a cloud, but whatever. Whatever factor pair you come up with, you have to continue listing those factors. So we came up with 6 and 6. Who can tell me what the factor pair is for 6? And you can blurt it.
3 times 2.
Yeah, so down here, I'm going to put a 3 and a 2, and I have to do the same thing for the other number in the factor pair. And I don't care if you put your little tree outline, leaf outline on those factor pairs as well. We are done, almost, with our prime factorization. Once you put a factor pair up there, you have to ask yourself, is that prime? Is 3 prime? Or is it composite?
It's prime.
It's prime because only 1 and 3 can be factor pairs for it. Is 2 prime?
Yes.
Is 3 prime again?
Yes.
Is 2 prime?
Yes.
So, the prime factorization of 36 would be 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. Cool? Let's check our work. What's 3 times 2?
6.
What's 6 times 3?
18.
What's 18 times 2? And it matches the number we started with. Now, once we get into the order of operations, children, you will see us use exponents with our prime factorization method. We're not going to worry about doing the exponents quite yet. I want to teach you the order of operations, and then we'll wrap it back around to prime factorization so that you can see how this number sentence can include exponents. Let's do some more examples together.